Hello, hello, my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Crochet, and today is the first Wednesday of August, so it is time for a new month of Battle of the Stitches. And let me get my book here. For those of you new to my channel, myself and Heather from Strings and Threads, this is our third year doing this, and we are working through this book, The Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter. And in the description box, you'll have I'll have a link to Amazon and thrift books where you can get this book if you'd like to get a copy. But this month we are doing the chain link shells. Isn't that pretty? And so I will be giving you, you'll have another video besides this one. Watch this introduction, then go watch my next video where I actually show you how to make this stitch, the chain link shells tutorial. I have a playlist called Battle of the Stitches. You can find all my videos from that in there. But basically what Battle of the Stitches is we take this book and we're going in order, one stitch at a time each month. We invite two content creators to join us to battle it out. And what we do is we take the stitch, and the first Wednesday of the month, we come on and give you a tutorial on how to do this stitch. The second Wednesday of the month, then we come on and we, excuse me, second week we come on and we give you a sneak peek of the project we're making with this stitch. And it's our own unique project. We do not copy another pattern. We come up with something our own that we created with this stitch. So we give you a sneak peek to see if you can guess what we're making. The third week is our reveal week. And we reveal our project, our completed project, show you what we made with the stitch, and then we put out a video tutorial to show you how to make that project. Also, after you watch everybody's video that's participating in the Battle of the Stitches on that third week, Heather puts up a voting poll on her community tab at Strings and Threads, and you get to vote for the project that was your favorite, which one you liked the most. Leave a comment below so we know that you voted, and that way your name can be entered in a drawing. So then what we do is on the last Wednesday, we keep the voting open until the last Wednesday of the month. It could be the fourth Wednesday or the fifth, depending on if that month has 5 Wednesdays. We go live the last Wednesday of the month, and Heather will let us know whose project got the most votes. She will draw one name out of all of those who've left a comment under the voting poll. And if your name is chosen, you get to choose which of the projects that were made to have as your prize. Okay, so that it's pretty fun. It's really neat to see what everybody makes. And then also, if you're not part of the 4, Heather and myself and the other 2, if you're not part of that, you can still make something with this stitch. We have a Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches, and you can go to the Facebook page and you can post a picture of something that you made with the stitch. And we would love to see what you make, because that is the most fun, is seeing what everybody thinks up to make with these stitches. It's so fun to see that. So that is pretty much what Battle of the Stitches is. So head over to after you watch this one, go to my next video and watch the tutorial, and I'm going to get that out and ready. And I hope you'll join us for Battle of the Stitches and make something. It's a lot of fun. If you're thinking about maybe as a content creator wanting to join Heather and I and battle it out, let me just show you what the stitches are for the rest of this year. Okay, September stitch is the trellis fan. Lots of really pretty lacy ones. Let's see. I know we have some creators joining us in the next few months. Let's see what openings we have. We need one more person for September, so we need one more content creator to join us to do the trellis fan. Then in October, I'm looking at my calendar here. I've got to check. We may already have 2, but I'll check and update you. But October is the embossed shells. Okay, I know for sure we have Brittany with For the Love of Reading and Crochet. And we might have Shannon from the Spoonie Stitcher, but I've got to confirm that. So this is October. Then November is the Striped Shells. And Brittany is going to join us again in November. So we need one more content creator for November. Okay. And then December, the last month of this year, is the Cluster Fans. And I don't believe we have anybody. Nope, as of right now, we do not have anyone to join us in December. So this would make something really pretty. So that's the stitches for the rest of the year. Let me get back to my other one. Yeah. So I'm going to get off of here. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you would like to join one of the months this year and battle it out with me and Heather, and which month you'd like to join us and do that, and I'll get you in. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and I know you're going to enjoy it too. So I will talk to you guys soon. Head over and watch my tutorial and learn how to make this simple, easy lacy stitch. See you soon.